Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel TechGitterOfficial. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate your Sears credit card online easily in 2026. So, let's get started. The Sears credit card is a co-branded Mastercard that's part of the Sears Rewards Program. It works like a cashback card. You can earn points for purchases and redeem them for cashback or gift cards. Now, let's go through the steps to activate your Sears credit card. Go to activate.searscard.com using your browser. This is the official Sears credit card activation page. Click the Sign On button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, simply log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Register Your Card below the Sign On option. To register, you'll need your Sears credit card number, security code, found on the back of your card, and some personal information to verify your identity. Once you're on the registration page, enter your card number and click Continue. Then, provide your name as it appears on the card, security code, and the last 4 digits of the primary cardholder's SSN, then click Verify. After completing the steps, you'll receive a confirmation message that your Sears credit card has been successfully activated and is ready to use. Tip: if you face any issues during activation, you can contact Sears Private Label General Inquiries for further assistance. That's it. You've successfully activated your Sears credit card for 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGitterOfficial for more tech and card activation guides. Thanks for watching.